The taste of this locally made tomato sauce with palm oil will blow your mind. How well do you know this locally made tomato sauce? I made it and it came out very delicious and I thought to share. Welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well and you're taking life a step at a time, right? In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this locally made tomato sauce paired with palm oil. Now let's begin without any further ado. Into your pot or pan, you introduce your palm oil. Just let it sit for a while. It's not going to bleach. Just when it's hot, you introduce your diced onions. Stir together to combine. Allow it to fry until it becomes fragrant. You're then going to introduce your roughly blended red bell pepper, cayenne pepper, and habanero pepper. Then you will stir together to combine. Allow it to fry for a bit. Then you introduce your ogiri. Now, if you don't like ogiri, you will replace the ogiri with a lot of crayfish. Include your crayfish at this time. Alright, stir together and allow it to fry into the oil. I want to use this time to appreciate you for stopping by. If you're interested in learning any Nigerian dishes, right, or any dish you think you want to know how to make, this is the channel for you, right? Subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so you see our new videos each time we upload. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I appreciate you. Now, after the pepper had fried for a bit, I introduced prawns. And then I stirred into the oil. I will then introduce a pounded prawns as well. Like I said, this is a locally made sauce and it needs crayfish a whole lot. If you're using crayfish, be generous with it. Remember, I had added ogiri and I had also added prawns and I had added a pounded prawns as well. And here I will introduce cow skin, aka bomo. You can decide to use fresh fish, all right, dried catfish, snail, stockfish. Any protein can pretty much be okay for this locally made sauce. And stir everything to combine. Allow it to fry for some time. It will be time to introduce the diced tomato. Now I prefer to dice the tomato this way because I want it to come out in chunks. I don't want it to be, smooth. If you like it smooth, you can decide to blend the tomatoes. But I think this gives it that feel because the sauce from the palm oil and from the crayfish and ogiri will just soak into the tomato. All right, so when you're biting it, you're getting the taste of everything in one. And then I stirred together to combine and I adjusted with just one seasoning, and then I will stir again and allow it to fry. At this time, the aroma in my kitchen was nose blinding. And the taste of the sauce, I can tell you for free that it came out very delicious. And I hope you will try out the sauce. Try it and let me know in the comment section what your thought is on this one. And here I adjusted with a bit of salt. And then I will stir together to combine and allow it to fry until everything is properly combined. Even as you're looking at it, you will know that this will pair very well with yam, with plantain, with rice. Let me know what you'll be pairing this sauce with in the comment section. And if you will try the sauce. The sauce is so delicious. I know you'll be hooked to it when you try it for the first time. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Share it to your loved ones as well. All you need to do here is to put off the heat. The sauce is ready. You can pair with anything of choice. You can even pair with okra soup, and I bet you that it came out very nice. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next video, do have a pleasant day.